If OneNote is giving you a syncing error, freezing, or refusing to upload your changes, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and practical way to fix it. We're going to force OneNote to run a sync cycle, and if that still doesn't solve the problem, we'll clear a corrupted local cache that may be blocking the app from syncing properly. This is a simple fix that can help with many OneNote sync issues, especially when notes seem stuck, an error code keeps appearing, or recent changes are not showing up across devices. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, if OneNote is open, keep it running and try forcing a manual sync cycle. On Windows, press Shift and F9 on your keyboard. This shortcut tells OneNote to bypass its normal background schedule and run a dedicated upload and sync cycle. In many cases, this is enough to push stuck notes through and get everything moving again. After pressing the shortcut, give OneNote a moment to process the sync and check whether the error clears. If your notebooks start updating normally, then the problem was likely just a temporary sync delay. But if OneNote is still frozen, or if you're seeing the same error code again and again, the next step is to clear out a corrupted offline file or cache. Sometimes a damaged local file can block the sync queue and prevent OneNote from downloading or uploading changes properly. To do that, fully close OneNote first. Make sure the app is not just minimized, it needs to be completely shut down. Then press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the field, paste this path exactly, %local app data, %/Microsoft/OneNote, and press enter. This will open OneNote's local data folder. Inside that folder, open the current version folder, which is usually labeled 16.0 on newer versions of OneNote. Once you're inside that version folder, look for a folder named cache. This is the part that can become corrupted and interfere with syncing. Delete the cache folder. Don't worry, OneNote will recreate it automatically the next time it starts, and clearing it often forces a clean download and a fresh sync process. After deleting the cache, reopen OneNote and sign in if needed. Then check your notebooks again and let the app sync for a few moments. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to fix stubborn OneNote sync errors and get your notes updating properly across devices. If the issue was caused by a broken offline file, removing that cache should clear the blockage and allow OneNote to rebuild a clean sync path. So to quickly recap, first try Shift plus F9 to force a sync, and if OneNote is still stuck, close it completely, open the local app data folder, go into the OneNote version folder, and delete the cache folder. That combination solves a lot of common OneNote syncing problems. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.